Hi everybody, it's Esthetician Jaq Gibson back here again with you today. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure that you subscribe and turn on your notifications for future videos. Today, I'm going to be showing you all how I personally do my everyday brow routine. So if you want to watch, just keep checking it out.
Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to brush your brows out in the direction in which they naturally lay. I like using Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil in 4.5. I like it because it has a spoolie on the end and it has a very, very thin pencil for hair-like strokes. The very first thing that you want to do to begin building your brow is to underline your bottom brow line. You want to follow the bottom hairline of your brow as closely as possible, as neatly as possible, and as light-handed as you can. I do not recommend starting out dark because it's hard to come back from, okay? You're going to go to the top brow line and do the same exact thing. Follow the direction of your brow hairline. Once you get that completed, you can go back and fill in little sparse areas, and that's pretty much it. I'm so through, yeah, so through.
Yo, you acting weird. Did you change your password out of fears? Holding you down, well, it's been some years. I didn't cry too much, man, I'm out of tears, yeah. Why you so defensive? When all I did was ask you was a question. I sense deception. Don't try to calm me down with affection, no. It's too late. 2 a.m. comes on a Tuesday. Laying next to me. Forgot your laptop syncs. Cause you stupid. I didn't wanna do it. But fuck it, we here now. There's no turning back now. You've been sexting bitches.
Now that your brows are filled, you want to carve them out. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. And I'm using the E.l.f. Eyebrow Duo brush.
Going through your phone, I don't miss shit. I don't wanna hear it, no. Yo, I'm so confused.
Similar to how we began building our brow, we are now going to carve our brow out with concealer. You want to start either at the middle or the front of your brow. I like to start at the front of my brow. And you want to follow your bottom brow line as closely as possible. Take your time, guys. Take your time. You want it to be neat, sharp, and precise. And as you can see, I'm kind of taking breaks here because I'm taking my time. I'm not rushing this. And I do this for the entire brow.
Sending pictures so you got a mistress. Going through your phone, I don't miss shit. I don't wanna hear it, no. You've been sexting bitches. Sending pictures so you got a mistress. Going through your phone, I don't miss shit. I don't wanna hear it, no.
I always add an extra line of concealer underneath to help blend out the brow and make it flawless and seamless. Now, just as we did for the bottom brow, we're going to carve out the top of our brow. And you want to do this by starting at the front or the middle. I like to start at the front. And you want to be patient. Be patient. Take your time with this, guys. You want to continue to follow the top line of your brow. That way you get a nice, flawless, cut out, precise brow.
big old stupid smile. Pocket full of cash money, I'm bumping some juvenile. Shawty, you look good, I want you back that ass up. I love when that ass is plump and she's asking what's in my cup. Something to get me right. How you feeling tonight? Leggings ain't nothing new, boo, but you killing them tights. You all feeling the music and me, I'm feeling your vibe. You can fill in the blanks if you keep on feeling my thighs. Yeah, pleasure's my mission, your buried treasure I'm digging. I'm insane with the written, I'm spitting game so you listen. We can do it right here or we can head to the kitchen. I got you wetter than dishes. Right after dinner I'm vicious. Got your hand on my britches, I know you measured the inches. Feeling frisky or not, cause we can dip with the quickness. Yeah, what I'm sipping delicious. Yeah, it reminds me of you. Full of body and color, I lift the glass when I'm through. Like, ooh, red wine, I'm feeling so fine. I can't even see it, man, all I feel is the vibe. If you got a problem, take a number, get in line. It's me and my crew, this the time of our lives. Like, ooh, red wine, I'm feeling so fine. I can't even see it, man, all I feel is the vibe. If you got a problem, take a number, get in line. It's me and my crew, it's the time of our lives. Hey, catch me in your city, all day I Cali rep. Pocket full of cash money, I'm bumping some Manny Fresh. Feeling like big timer, some highness around my neck. No, nothing can divide us, our bodies covered in sweat. I can spit you a verse right now that'll cover your debt. Or I can spit a verse right now clever to get you wet. Or I can spit a verse to reverse the hurt in your chest. Or I can spit a verse about all the fish in my net. But pleasure's my mission, your buried treasure I'm digging. I'm insane with the written, I'm spitting game so you listen. We can do it right here, we can head to the kitchen. I got you wetter than dishes.
The last step to amazing brows is this Benefit Cosmetics 24-hour brow setter. It is basically a clear gel and it just helps brush and keep your hairs into place, and it gives them a more fuller, natural look. And yeah,
take a number, get in line. It's me and my crew, this the time of our lives. Like, ooh, red wine, I'm feeling so fine. I can't even see it, man, all I feel is the vibe. If you got a problem, take a number, get in line. It's me and my crew, it's the time of our lives. Like, ooh, red wine.
Alrighty guys, and that is how I do my everyday brow. I hope that you learned something. I hope that you gathered what you needed to from it. If there's any other type of video that you would like to see me do, please comment in the comment box below. I will leave the artist information, the music artist information in the description box below as well as all of the products that I used today. Alrighty. I guess that's it. Make sure you subscribe, follow, like, comment, all that great stuff. Turn on your notifications. I'll see you guys later. Bye.